Since 2009, the STAR's Singapore Institute of Manufacturing Technology, SIMTech, and the Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Centre, ARTC, Knowledge Transfer Office has been on a mission, uplifting the local workforce and helping industries level up for Singapore's future of manufacturing. The Knowledge Transfer Office offers technology training and real-world case study-based instruction to bolster the competitiveness of our workforce in the dynamic manufacturing industry of Singapore. The training programs, in close partnership with the SkillsFuture Singapore agency and other leading organizations, are built on the foundation of A-STAR's expertise in cutting-edge manufacturing knowledge, gained through years of industry collaborations, hands-on experience and research. Positioned at the interface of applied research and industry, KTO translates A-STAR's sectoral innovations into contextualized, implementation-led training that align with national priorities.
To sustain long-term excellence, enterprises must look beyond today. At A-STAR, we transform companies and their workforce to rise together towards a smart and sustainable advanced manufacturing. We aim to achieve higher value add, strengthen supply chain capabilities, and build the ecosystem to establish Singapore as a regional HQ for advanced manufacturing.
KTO is committed to equipping the workforce with the skills and mindset to harness advanced manufacturing such as next-gen manufacturing processes, net zero manufacturing, resilience value chain, and autonomous and AI in manufacturing. Equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, KTO's Learn, Practice, Implement model trains around 1,000 professionals annually and nurtures the next-generation manufacturing workforce through collaborations with institutes of higher learning, establishing KTO as a go-to CET centre dedicated to upskilling Singapore's workforce across the advanced manufacturing sector, helping companies cultivate a culture where everyone can thrive, recognize their roles in the value chain, and contribute to building smarter, more sustainable factories of the future.
SSG will continue to partner SIMTech to deliver impactful and industry-relevant training and to equip our workforce with in-demand and emerging skills. I'm confident that you have benefited from SIMTech's Learn, Practice and Implement approach, not just in updating your skill sets, but also in acquiring the mentality to continuously learn new skills, and I look forward to your contribution to our economy and to the uplifting of our advanced manufacturing sector.